Today we are looking at calculus where we are differentiating using the power rule. Remember, the power rule is when we take the exponent of x and we multiply it with the coefficient of x and we subtract 1 from the exponent. We get rid of surd forms by changing it to exponential form and then turning at the end back into surd form, and all exponents must always be written to a positive power. In our example, they ask us to determine dy over dx of dy over dx is equal to 2x plus 3. My function is given. It says I must differentiate. Notice that the writing is different, but it still means differentiate y with respect to x. So here I have exponent of 1 multiplied with 2, then x to the power of 0 multiplied by 3. The moment I differentiate, I drop my y. So now 2 times 1, x to the power of 0, which will give me 1, and 3 multiplied by 0 will give me 0. So this will fall away. So my answer, if I have differentiated, will be equal to 2. Do another one. They ask me to calculate dy over dx of y is equal to the square root of x. In this instance, I can answer in 3 different ways. The first thing that I, however, must do is write my surd form into exponential form. This is the square root of x. So this becomes now x to the power of a half. Now that I have y is equal to x to the power of a half, I can do y prime, I can do d of x to the power of a half over dx, or I can do d over dx of the function x to the power a half. All 3 of which will render the same answer. My exponent multiplied with my coefficient minus 1, so it will be a half x to the power of minus a half. A half minus 1 is negative a half. So my answer will be a half x to the power of negative a half. Remember, the exponent must always be written as a positive exponent. So this will firstly go underneath the line with a 2, and because it's a half, it's the square root of x. So this will be 1 over 2 square root of x as my final answer. For all 3, the answer will be exactly the same. It does not matter if I follow this protocol, or the y prime protocol. All of them are the same. Just remember, the moment I differentiate, my differentiation notation disappears. Same over here. Y prime, I can keep on the left hand side because now I am busy differentiating. So the differentiated answer is then that. I want to thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. And goodbye.